Hello, my friends. Today we are going to be talking about what makes us very unique, what makes us different. So just like this box of crayons here, we're all crayons, but we all have different colors, right? We're all different. We're all unique in our own way. So what makes me unique, maybe somebody else is a different unique. I love to make people laugh. That's my thing. I love to be funny and I love to make people smile. I have friends that already are funny, but they like to basically, I don't know, they like to make people laugh, but they do it in a different way than I do. So it's kind of like the same thing. Or they're unique because I have a couple of friends that are really, really tall, and then I have friends that are really, really short, but each one of them has like a really cool uniqueness about themselves. So there's something about you that's wicked funny. Maybe you have like really cool hair that makes you who you are. Um, I have a really big nose that makes me who I am. It's always been big, even when I was little. I've always worn glasses. That makes me unique, right? And here's a little secret. I walk with my feet out like this. A lot of people don't do that, but I do. That makes me unique. So there's little things about you that make you different from everybody else, but they're awesome things. Like I love that I walk like this, and I love that I can make people laugh just by saying hello. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the glasses. I don't know. Are you ready to listen? The crayon box that talked. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. "I don't like red," said Yellow, and Green said, "Nor do I." And no one here likes orange, but no one just doesn't know why. "We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along," said Blue to the others. "Something here is wrong." Well, I brought that box of crayons and took it home and laid out all the colors so the colors can all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright.